Today I'll be showing you how to do these lights. If you like this look, you can do them on your car, your SUV, whatever. You don't want to pay that $500 to get them done. I'm gonna show you how to do it yourself so you don't have to pay nobody. Order the whole cover. The reason why, I'm gonna cut out the face, so whenever I put it on my mirror, I don't have to do that much Bondo work on top of the light. This is just an easier way. See, you could just order the light right here by itself, but I cut the face so I can put it on top of there and it could look more professional, you know. So now what you want to do, make sure all the edges are smooth, because you don't want to see any creases on your Bondo work. Now we gotta drill a hole for the wire right here where my finger's at. Get you a drill your hole in there, run your speaker wire, unscrew everything from under your mirror, or whatever kind of mirror you got, take the whole bottom off so you can run your wire through there. Put the speaker wire in that hole, feed it through the bottom. Make sure you leave enough speaker wire so you can run it to your turn signals or your tail lights. After that, cut this tip off the light you order on eBay or Amazon. And the reason you're cutting this, because your car's not a Mercedes, so you don't need that adapter. Cut the tips off and put the ground with ground and power with power on the wire. If these colors on the wires are different from red and black, it don't matter. Whenever you get some wires, any wires that has a darker color, that's your ground. And the other wire, whatever color it is, if it's lighter, that's your power wire. You can't get confused. So now what you want to do, wrap up all the wires, put everything back together on the mirror. We're done with all the wires. So now it's Bondo time. Tape these two wires together so it won't be messy, you know. You never want to be messy. Now you're going to mix up some Bondo and some hardener, which is right here. This comes together when you buy the Bondo. You gotta mix it until it gets all the way pinkish, like a color pink, all the way pink. After that, you wanna put some on the mirror. And the reason why, this is where the light's gonna go, okay? Put it under. Let's put some tape on top of the light so it won't get dirty with Bondo. And let this sit 24 hours, okay? Okay, 24 hours later, now you want to put some tape where the hole's at so no Bondo will come in there whenever you start filling in with Bondo. This is where we're going to start making the shape. So this Bondo here, you can buy it at AutoZone or O'Reilly's for 25 bucks. You need two of these if you're going to make two mirrors, okay? And once you put the hardener on there, which is this, you only got 5 minutes before it dries. So now, just start filling in. Make sure you get pretty good on top, and make sure you get the bottom pretty good too. Just like this. 24 hours again. Now, grab some blue tape, and I'm gonna show you how you start getting the shape. Start taping it like this. Now you see that little empty spot in there? That tape will prevent the Bondo from falling down. So mix up some Bondo, put it in there, let it dry another 24 hours. this is where we're gonna start shaping it. So we'll be doing a lot of Bondo work, letting it dry 24 hours. Next day, shape it again. More Bondo, let it dry, and on and on. So stay to the end, you watch the whole video. Okay, look, you see all the little small holes and small cracks? You gotta mix up some more Bondo. You're gonna fill in all the little cracks and holes. Once you do this, you let it dry another 24 hours, start sanding down again, okay? If you see any more after that, you repeat the same thing over. Stay to the end of the video so you can see exactly how they look when they're done. I'll leave the links down here so you can see the full video on how to do these step by step. So if you see this, see how it looks real square, like a cake? So now what you gotta do, grab some sandpaper and make the corners look round, just like this. Now we're gonna use some primer, some white primer, so you can see everything. If you have any little spots that are missing or anything don't look straight, then you know what you gotta do to finish them off. Which it means if you need to use some more Bondo or sandpaper, you repeat the process so you're done.